Сегодня министры иностранных дел Великобритании, Швеции, Германии и Нидерландов официально сообщили мне о том, что процесс завершен.
We have confirmed that a deadly toxin was found in Alexei Navalny's body, and that toxin has been identified as a toxin that is found in Ecuadorian dart frogs. Only the Russian government had the means, the motive, and the opportunity to use that toxin against Alexei Navalny in prison.
Светится имя Твое, да придет Христос.